This is gonna be Kevin's airsoft gun, so he's gonna review his own airsoft gun.
Alright, this is the JG M16A4 RIS from evike.com for $180. The gun is pretty much full metal. The flash hider is metal, and it don't come with a black one, which stinks. The outer barrel's metal. The front sight's metal. Full metal RIS. And the body is ABS plastic, really strong plastic. Comes with a 300 round full metal high cap. The grip is ABS plastic. The trigger guard is metal, and then the whole stock is ABS. The battery is housed in the stock. Comes with an 8.4 1600 milliamp, I think. It does not come with the rail covers. I put that on because they look cool. You can take off the carrying handle like that. And then to reveal the hop up, you pull back the charging handle, and it's revealed right there. You go this way to turn more hop up, that way to turn it down. And this thing don't really do nothing, it just sits there. The gun shoots around 390 to 400, and we're about to do a shooting test.
Okay, this target right here is already hit up, so just try to watch where the BBs are hitting.
Fully automatic.
This is the 100-foot test. The one before this was 50 foot.
Hop up. Overall, I suggest this gun to anybody who wants a field rifle. Not good for CQB since it's so long. Overall, great gun. Shoots around 400 FPS. The hop ups, you need just a hop up for different ranges, and this isn't the mag it came with. So the target was pretty messed up. This thing can go up to 150, 200 on a good day. Yep. So.